Hey guys, John Chicken Shit Farms back. Today we're working on some of our Halloween decorations this year. I'll show you what we've got going on, but next year we're planning on doing a pretty large display, so we'll see how that goes. All right, today we're taking some of the cheap dollars. These are at the Dollar Tree, so they're $1 tombstones, and what we're doing is gluing them together to make just better tombstones out of them. Now these are, like I said, there's a lot of videos out there on this, so we'll show you exactly what we did. But what we do is we glue three together, and then we put a piece of PVC in the center here, and usually a piece of rebar that we drive down in the ground to put this on, because that just works a lot better than the little stakes that come with them. Alright, as you can see, this is how they come. Like I said, they're about a ½ inch thick, a little under a ½ inch thick. And this is what they give you to put it in the ground. And these don't last. We've put our tombstones up down there a dozen times or more. They just keep blowing off. You end up losing these. They blow down the street. Our neighbors pick them up. So I said what we're going to do is glue these three together. Some people will actually grind these down, repaint them, everything like that. We're kind of crunched for time this year, so we're going to leave them just like they are. And from, like I said, what we saw, even though these do have ridges on them, they actually lay flat when they glue together. So like I said, obviously we'll have the edges where they're not filled in, but we'll fix all this stuff next year. It's just like I said, highest quality is not the best, but I said it's $1 tombstone. So we're going to take the worst one here that the paint's all messed up on, and we're going to use it for the middle piece, and we'll glue these together. And then we'll use a piece of ½ inch. This is the gray PVC conduit. It's actually cheaper than the white, your typical water PVC. Guys, today we're just using stuff we had around the house, some of the things we got left over from projects we've been working on, remodeling the house and everything. So we're using just White Lightning 3006 to bond these pieces together. You can really use anything that you want to do this. A lot of people use the Great Stuff foam, as long as you're not using the one that really expands, because otherwise it's going to push all your tombstones apart. But anything silicone based should hold this, and it won't damage it, so it's not like just super glue that'll melt it or something like that.
Go.
Alright guys, so here we go. Just going to apply a little of this around the edges. So you don't need a whole lot. Just press it together pretty well. This is our middle piece. Definitely make sure that you're using the same ones, because they are different sizes and different shapes. So try to make sure that when you glue the three together, you use the three. Alright. This is the little pieces we cut for the stakes. So we're going to cut this out here. So this fits down inside, and we'll glue this down in there. Like that. So you put your piece in like this. I say you can glue this just like that, because this is a little bit higher. But what we're going to do is take a little bit out of this one so it lays nice and flat. So we don't have to put a whole lot of weight up here to try to push it down. We have to do that with one over there. If you look at the one we did over there with the plant, that's the first one we did. So we're going to do it different this time. Try not to take too much out, so you still leave yourself a little bit to glue this to the pipe. I'll try to be careful with this. You don't cut yourself. I need my sheetrock knife for this. It makes it a lot easier.
I'll show that close up so they can see you only put a little divot in that one.
Like I said, what you can do is fill this stuff in with some of that expanding, or not the expanding, but like the great stuff foam, which we'll take care of this stuff next year. But right now, where I said we're crunched for time, so we're not doing that. But there you see, that's where your stake goes. Keep these from blowing over, because they will. And now that they're thicker, I said a lot of other guys will go ahead and they'll paint over this and you know, paint it the way they want, so they'll just gray it out and make it look more like, you know, your typical tombstone. But like I said, with these, you know, there's $3 in the tombstones. There's $3 in a stick of pipe, and then you know, the rebar. Remember what it was? $4.90, I think, a stick for a piece of rebar or something like that. But you can do, we can do all 4 of these with that one stick of rebar. So that'll keep them from blowing over all year on us. So that's our plan, to go with our big gargoyles and some of our other tombstones that we've got. So these don't look so bad with it now. Definitely, like I said, it's thicker, and already having the stakes is a big thing for these. So, all right, guys, we appreciate it. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe, and share them. And we'll keep the content coming. Thank you.